ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ।
ਤੂੰ ਸਮਰੱਥ ਵੱਡਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਮਤ ਥੋੜੀ ਰਾਮ। ਡੰਡਾਉਤ ਬੰਧਨ ਅਨਕ ਬਾਰ ਸਰਬ ਕਲਾ ਸਮਰੱਥ। ਡੋਲਨ ਤੇ ਰੱਖੋ ਪ੍ਰਭੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਹੱਥ। ਜਿਸਕੇ ਸਿਰ ਉਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਸੁਆਮੀ ਸੋ ਦੁਖ ਕੈਸਾ ਪਾਵੇ। ਬੋਲ ਨਾ ਜਾਣੇ ਮਾਇਆ ਮਦ ਮਾਤਾ ਮਰਨਾ ਚੀਤ ਨ ਆਵੈ। ਮਰਨਾ ਚੀਤ ਨ ਆਵੇ। ਮੇਰੇ ਰਾਮ ਰਾਏ ਤੂੰ ਸੰਤਾ ਕਾ ਸੰਤ ਤੇਰੇ। ਤੇਰੇ ਸੇਵਕ ਕੋ ਭਉ ਕਿਛ ਨਾਹੀ ਜਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਵੇ ਨੇਰੇ। ਤੇਰੇ ਸੇਵਕ ਕੋ ਭਉ ਕਿਛ ਨਾਹੀ ਜਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਵੇ ਨੇਰੇ। ਜਿਸਕੇ ਸਿਰ ऊपर तू स्वामी सो दुख कैसा पावे। हे धन श्री गुरु नानक देव जी गरीब नवाज सच्चे पातशाह जीओ। जिस दे सिर उपर तुसी होवो वो दुख किवें पा सकता है। ओ गुरु नानक देव जी पातशाह जी, above that head that you are Guru Nanak Dev Ji, how could that person ever suffer? There is only suffering because I'm not allowing you to be above me. I'm in pain, I suffer, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Pacha Ji, because I remove you from my life. But the moment I allow you to be above me, then there is no suffering. Mere Ram Rai, oh my Ram, Ram meaning Vaheguru, oh my Ram, Mere Ram Rai, my Ram, Rai meaning king. Which king is this? Who is Ram for us? Who is God for us? Who is our king? Our king is Guru Nanak. Let us all say these words from our heart and say, Oh Guru Nanak Dev Ji, oh my king, mere Ram Rai, tu santa ka. Who do you belong to, Guru Nanak? You belong to the saints. Sant tere. Those saints that belong to you, you belong to them. Chahal Pendia, there's a village called Chahal. Uthe ek beti ne janam liya. A daughter is born in this village called Chahal. Pita Kalu ji, the Mata Tripata ji. In the house of Pita Kalu ji, in the house of Mata Tripata ji, this beautiful daughter is born. And she's born in her Nanke Kar. In her maternal house she is born. ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਨਾ ਜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਨੇ। ਨਾਨਾ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਆ ਰਾਮ ਜੀ। Her Nana ji's name is Ram. Her Nana ji is playing with his beautiful daughter. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਾਮਾ ਜੀ ਵੀ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਨੇ, her maternal uncle. His name is Krishna ji. He plays so lovingly with this beautiful daughter that is born to Mata Tripata ji. And they'd say, Eta Nankiyan di ya Nankiyan di. They'd say that she belongs to her Nanke, she belongs to her Nana, to her Nani, to her maternal side. Nankiyan di kende kende, the naam ban gaya Nanaki. And her name became Nanaki. Mata Tripata ji takes this beautiful, beautiful baby, this child, back to their village of Raipoe ki Talwandi. ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਜੀ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੋਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ. She's playing in the streets of Raipoe ki Talwandi and she's growing up. ਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ 4 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਉਮਰ, she turns 4 years of age, ਤਾਂ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਜੀ ਹਲੇ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਿਆ, ਕੇਵਲ ਨਾਨਕੀ. Nanki comes running home to her mum. She's got tears rolling down her face. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮਾਂ ਰੱਬ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਰਾਜ਼ ਆ? Is God angry with me? ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਬੇਟੇ, ਰੋਣੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਜੇ? Why are you crying? ਦੱਸ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਤੂੰ ਰੋਣੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਆ? ਤੂੰ ਰੋਣੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ਤੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਦੌੜਦੀ ਘਰ ਆਈ ਤਾਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਅੱਜ ਰੱਬ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਰਾਜ਼? You are asking me if God is angry with you? Why would you say that? ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖਦੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਦੂਸਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਹੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਾਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀਰ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਨੇ. She goes, when I look into the courtyards of others, I see that they have little brothers playing with them. All the other girls have brothers playing with them. ਮਾਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਵਿਹੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਖਾਲੀ ਜੇ. She said, but mother, my courtyard is empty. Mother, I don't have a brother to play with. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਅੱਛਾ, ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਫੇਰ ਤੂੰ ਰੱਬ ਕੋਲ ਪੁਕਾਰ ਕਰ. She goes, then why don't you cry to God instead of crying to me? ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਰੱਬ ਅੱਗੇ ਪੁਕਾਰ ਕਰ ਨਾਨਕੀ. ਤਾਂ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਨਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਨੰਨੇ ਹੱਥ ਜੋੜ ਕਰਕੇ, she puts her hands together. ਛੋਟੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਹੱਥ ਨੇ, 4 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਆ. ਹੱਥ ਜੋੜ ਕਰਕੇ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਅਸਮਾਨ ਵੱਲ ਵੇਖਿਆ. She looks up into the sky. ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੀ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਰੱਬ ਜੀ, ਹੇ ਰਾਮ ਜੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਿਹੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਵੀਰ ਭੇਜ ਦਿਓ. And she says, oh ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, why don't you send a little brother into my house so I can play with a brother too? ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਭੈਣ, ਹਲੇ ਭੈਣ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਧੀ ਅਰਜ਼ੋਈ ਕਰਦੀ ਉਸ ਅਕਾਲ ਪੁਰਖ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ. On one side there's this beautiful innocent child putting a request forward to God, and on the other side is the whole earth is crying and asking, God, will you save us? ਕੋਈ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਸੁਣਨ ਵਾਲਾ? ਸੁਣੀ ਪੁਕਾਰ ਦਾਤਾਰ ਪ੍ਰਭ, ਸੁਣੀ ਪੁਕਾਰ ਦਾਤਾਰ ਪ੍ਰਭ. And you know, Prabhu Vaheguru ji listened to the cries of the people, because the people were saying, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਾਈਏ ਹੁਣ? Who shall we go to? ਰੱਬ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਪੁਕਾਰ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸੁਣੀ. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ heard everybody's cries, ਸੁਣੀ ਪੁਕਾਰ ਦਾਤਾਰ ਪ੍ਰਭ. ਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਹੁਣ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਘਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਆ? But into whose house should God go into? ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੁਣੀ. ਰੱਬ ਦੇ ਕੰਨੀ ਇੱਕ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਪਈ. This voice entered and reached Vaheguru ji's court. This little beautiful girl is saying, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀਰ ਭੇਜ ਦੂੰਗੇ ਇੱਕ. ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਇਹੋ ਜੀ ਸੁਣੀ. ਰੱਬ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਭਰਾ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਦੇ ਘਰ. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ listen to this innocent voice, and Vaheguru ji themselves came as Guru Nanak, jot roop har aap Guru Nanak kahayo. Because that voice was so innocent, Vaheguru ji came as Guru Nanak into that house and became the brother of Bebe Nanaki. Bhagat Farid ji de bachan ne. Bhagat Farid ji say, ਜੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਸ਼ੋਹ ਨੰਡੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਮਾਨ ਕਰੀ. ਭਗਤ ਫਰੀਦ ਜੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੇ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ if I knew Vaheguru ji was a nandada. What does a nandada mean? It means an innocent child. Farid ji said, if I knew that Vaheguru ji is like this innocent child, then I would have remained like one. Because I know now I have to become that child again. so I can go and play with Vaheguru Ji. Because Vaheguru Ji is innocent, like a child. And I have to become that too. And when we become like those innocent children and we put our hands together, then somebody beautifully said, this says, Mera dil kenda, oh nede ya, Guru Nanak esse vede ya. That Guru Nanak isn't far. Guru Nanak is in this courtyard. In which courtyard? In the courtyard of my heart. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji came. ਵੀਰ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਤੇ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਜੀ ਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਲਾਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੀਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. She's got so much love for her brother. She's so protective over her brother. ਮੇਰੇ ਰਾਮ ਰਾਏ ਤੂੰ ਸੰਤਾ ਕਾ ਸੰਤ ਤੇਰੇ. And how does Bebe Nanaki ji become this sant and is so loving towards her brother? Bebe Nanaki ji, she got married at the age of 11. She moved to Sultanpur Lodi very young, and that was very common for those days, just before anybody freaks out. Bebe Nanaki da 11 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਆਹ ਹੋਇਆ, and ਜਦੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਨਾ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ is going to visit Bebe Nanaki ji, their sister, and they're traveling to Sultanpur Lodi. And you know, Sangati ji, Guru Granth Sahib Ji Paatshah's Bani says that Ude Ood Ave, Bolo na, Ude Ood Ave Sakosa. That you know these crane birds, what do? They fly hundreds and miles away from their little children, those little chicks. They leave them behind. Ude, Odeke, Ude Ood Ave. Sa means hundreds, Gosa means miles. Hundreds of miles away, they come away from their little chicks. And then Maharaji asks us a question, say, Then Kavan Khalave, who's going to feed them? The mothers have left them. Then Kavan Khalave. And then Maharaji says, what did they say after? Then Kavan Khalave? Kavan Chugave. And what does Chugave mean? It says, who's going to teach them how to peck? Those little chicks. They've left them behind. But then Maharaji says, Then Kavan Khalave, Kavan Chugave. What's the answer? That's an answer. If you read the English translation, it's put it as a further question. It's not a further question, it's the answer. Those mothers, with the Shakti of Dhyan, with their consciousness, they focus on those little chicks, the children that they've left behind. Man mein, within their mind, what do? Simran Kareya. All they do is, they remember back to their children. Maharaji say, in that way, they teach their little chicks of how to peck and how to eat. Because that's the Shakti a mother has got. Sanghaji, not just a mother. Any human being has got. You know, today we've become so reliant on our little mobiles, constantly phoning each other, where are you? When are you going to be here? But ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਡਾਢਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਹੋਵੇ ਨਾ, when you've got this deep love inside of your heart for somebody, you don't need to phone them to ask them how they are. You will just know when something's not right. And a mother's got that connection with a child, but it doesn't restrict. That isn't restricted just to a mother. When we become open and when we actually start connecting to each other, we'll just know. Bebe Nanaki ji, she knew that her brother's close. She comes and stands outside and she's waiting. Remember, there's no WhatsApp to say, I'm 10 minutes away. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah is on their way. Bebe Nanaki ji standing outside. When Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah ji sees their sister, they go and touch her feet. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah ji ਪੈਰੀ ਚਰਨੀ ਪੈ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਨੇ. And when they go and touch Bebe Nanaki ji's feet, the Bebe Nanaki ji ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ? What are you doing? Bebe Nanaki ji moves away. She goes, ਨਹੀਂ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਐਵੇਂ ਕਰਨਾ. She says, you're not to fall at my feet. Guru Nanak Dev ji ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਐਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਬਣਦਾ ਆ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, aren't you older than me? You're 5 years older than me. Of course I'm going to be touching your feet. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆਦਮੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ yes if you was a mere human being then yes I would say you were older than me ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆਦਮੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ ਹੋ he said you are God I'm to lie in your feet Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji embraced their sister so much prem so much bhavana Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji is gone back to Raipur ki Talwandi and Bebe Nanaki Ji is visiting. And one day Bebe Nanaki Ji is sitting down with her mother Mata Tripta Ji and Mata Tripta Ji is having a conversation. She said, Kende Nanaki, tu hi gal karke vekh la apne veer de naal. She said, why don't you have this conversation with your brother? Kendi kehdi gal? Kendi pata nahi kinne din ho gaye ne na wo bahar janda aya na kisi de naal gal karda aya. He's not going out. He's not speaking to anyone. He's not eating. He's not communicating. He just sits there and he just keeps moving his lips. Naam. Guru Nanak Dev Ji is constantly immersed. She said, why don't you try and speak to him? She goes, look how many things we've tried with him. Bebe Nanaki kendi maa kendi main gayi si ek din gal karan waste. She said, I did go to his room to speak to him one day and he wasn't there and he was sitting outside. She goes, and he had loads of people surrounding him and sitting around him. And she said, Ma, she goes, oh, inni surilli, inni mithi awaaz de naal gaunde si. He was singing with such a sweet voice. She goes, I just couldn't say anything and I just sat there immersed as well. She goes, Ja, tu mi kamli hogi ode wang. She goes, you've become crazy like him too. She goes, see, ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਤਾਂ ਭਰਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਮਲਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਭੈਣ ਵੀ ਕਮਲੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ What's everybody going to say? That their son's crazy and now the daughter's become crazy as well. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਖਣਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ She says, I'm not going to say anything to him. During that time, Pita Kalu ji comes. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤ੍ਰਿਪਤਾ ਕੁਛ ਬੋਲਿਆ Has he spoke? She said, ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੈਦ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਿਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ we called a doctor as well and when that doctor came Guru Sahib ji tell us about that time themselves ਕਹਿੰਦੇ the doctor took my arm Guru Nanak Dev Ji said he grabbed my arm and he started looking for something he says ਪਕੜ ਟੰਡੋਲੇ ਬਾਹ ਵੈਦ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਵੈਦਗੀ Guru Nanak Dev Ji writes this in so much humor they said they called a doctor ਵੈਦ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ And you know what he started to do? He started doing his Vadgi. You know what Vadgi means? When somebody says, oh, pata nahi ki apni doctory ji kari janda hai. I don't know what doctor stuff they're doing. Guru Nanak Dev Ji is saying he's doing all this doctory stuff on me and he's looking for something on my arm. The pulse, obviously. Kende Vad bulaya Vadgi pakad tandole ba. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji kende pola Vad na jane. Kende that fool doctor is so innocent. What does he know? Pola Vad na jani kark kaleje mahe. Kende that pain is in my heart. That love for Waheguru Ji is why I don't eat is in my heart. They're not going to find that in my arm through my pulse. Pita Kalu Ji said, you know what happened with the doctor? They said he started teaching him. So we had to send the doctor away. We've tried everything. We've sent him to school. And the teacher said, I can't teach him. He's teaching me. We sent him to a Sanskrit teacher. Sanskrit teacher failed. We sent him to a Farsi teacher. He said, I can't teach him. He said, I don't know what to do with him. I sent him to go and graze, take the cattle out. And you know what he did there? Even that, he says, I don't know what to do. Bebe Nanaki, they're sitting there discussing. They said, why don't we try and get him into some sort of trade? Why don't you get him into Saudagari? Saudagari means why don't you give him some money, send him to a particular village, and he can go and buy some goods from there and bring them back and sell them at a profit. I'm sure he's going to be able to manage that. The Kaluji goes, Chal evi karke vekh lenne. Says, okay, we'll do that as well. Kende kinne ke deiye? How much money should we give him? Kende 20 rupiye ta bande hai na. Can they give him 20 rupees? I remember what Sukhdeep was saying this morning. 5 rupees them days you could buy acres of land. So 20 rupees, you imagine how much that is. It's worth thousands, tens of thousands today. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾਨਕ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਫੜ 20 ਰੁਪਏ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਫਲਾਣੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਨੂੰ ਜਾ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਤੂੰ ਸੌਦਾਗਰੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਲਿਆਉਣੀ, ਯੂ ਗੋਇੰ ਟੂ ਗੋ ਐਂਡ ਬਾਈ ਸਮ ਗੁੱਡਸ ਦੇਅਰ ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਬ੍ਰਿੰਗ them back. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਲੂੰਗਾ, will you be able to manage this? Guru Nanak Dev Ji took the money and they just nodded. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਗਾਲੂ ਜੀ is not convinced. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬੇਬੇ said to ਮਾਤਾ ਤ੍ਰਿਪਤਾ ਜੀ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤ੍ਰਿਪਤਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਯਕੀਨ ਜਾਣੀ ਵੱਜਦਾ, ਕਹਿੰਦਾ I just lost my faith. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ shall we send Bala with him? I've heard that Bala is in town, he's a lot older and he's quite responsible, let's send Bala ji with him. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਚੱਲ ਬਾਲਾ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਭੇਜ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਬਾਲਾ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ, ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖੀ ਇਹਦਾ, take care of him. ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਭਾਈ ਬਾਲਾ ਜੀ ਤੁਰ ਪਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਰਸਤੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮੌਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਰਦੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ. ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ completely in their own ਮੌਜ, must, intoxicated in naam. And as Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah is walking, and before they reach that place where they've got to go and buy all the goods, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਖੀ ਕੀ ਪਿਆ, ਕੋਈ ਸਾਧੂ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ, ਕੋਈ ਬੈਠਾ ਆ, ਕੋਈ ਦਰਖਤ ਤੋਂ ਲਮਕਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਆ, ਕੋਈ ਦਰਿਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਲੱਤ ਉੱਪਰ ਖੜਾ ਆ. Guru Nanak Dev Ji see that there's somebody, there's some sadhus, there's some sages there, but one is hanging upside down on a tree, another one is standing on one leg in some pool of water. Somebody is there, got ash smeared all over them, and they're sitting there, standing there, meditating and putting themselves through all sorts of penance. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji, but there's one in particular that caught Guru Nanak Dev Ji's eye and they start walking towards that direction. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹਿ ਗਏ ਨੇ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ ਦਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਹੋ? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ oh saints and sages that belong to God, what are you doing? They said we left our homes when we were young in search of union with God. And they said that Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, have you eaten anything? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਨੇਗੇ, we're not those type, we don't go around and begging and asking. ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਭਰੋਸੇ ਤੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਹਾਂ, we sit here in the faith of God, and when he wants to bring us something, that's fine. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji straight away looks at Bhai Balaji, says this is going to be a great trade. We're not going to be able to we're not going to be able to top this. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਬਾਲਿਆ? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੰਤ ਜੀ, ਸੰਤ ਰੈਣ ਜੀ was his name, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੰਤ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਲਿਆਈਏ, ਕੋਈ ਸੌਦਾ, should we bring you something? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬਾਲਕ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ you're young, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ don't spend your money on us. ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਖਾਧਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, how long has it been since you've eaten? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 7 ਦਿਨ ਲੰਘ ਗਏ ਨੇ, it's the 7th day. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਖਾਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. And you know, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji went out and they went and bought some food. And when they brought all this food back and they place it in front of these sons, but now Sant Rena Ji can't look at Guru Nanak Dev Ji's chehra. He can't look at their face because Namo Surj Surje Namo Chandra Chandre. It's like the sun. This is what gives light to the sun. This is how Guru Nanak Dev Ji's chehra is glowing now. Why? Because Guru Nanak Dev Ji, they're going to be filling somebody's stomach. And all Guru Nanak Dev Ji can see is Vaheguru Ji inside of them. Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, fill your stomachs. Take all this food. And they gave them some clothes as well. Inne chamkade, so much radiance on Guru Nanak Dev Ji's chehra, and they start to walk back. As Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah is walking back, and they're getting closer and closer to home, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji looks at Bala and said, I'm not going to go home just yet, because I'm not sure what I'm going to say to Father yet. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਸੁੱਕਾ ਦਰਿਆ ਆ, there's this dry pool here just on the outskirts of Raipoi ki Talwandi. They said, I'm just going to sit here for a while. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹਿ ਜਾਣਾ ਆ. Bhai Balaji sat with Guru Nanak Dev Ji for a little while, but then after some while, Bhai Balaji said, I've got to go home. Bhai Balaji ਘਰ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਬਹਿ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਉਸ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਦੇ ਰੰਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੁੜ ਗਏ ਨੇ। The whole night passes and it's morning. When Pita Kaluji sees that my son hasn't returned yet, maybe something's happened to him. ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਚੋਰ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੁੱਤ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਗਿਆ। Maybe somebody's taken maybe my son's been kidnapped. Maybe something's happened to my child. Why hasn't he returned? Why hasn't he come back home yet? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੇਖ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤ੍ਰਿਪਤਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੇਖ ਬਾਲਾ ਘਰ ਆ ਗਿਆ। Has Bala returned back home? They run to see if Bhai Balaji's back home. They go and they see Balaji's there. ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੁੱਤ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ? What's happened to my son? Did something happen to him and you're scared to tell me? And you wasn't able to bring yourself round to tell me that something's happened to my son? Quick, tell me. ਮੇਰਾ ਪੁੱਤ ਸੁਖੀ ਆ, ਰਾਜ਼ੀ ਆ? Is he okay? Bhai Balaji ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਰਾਜ਼ੀ ਆ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਿਕਰ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, he's fine. ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ? ਫਿਰ ਮੁੜਿਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ? ਆਇਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ? ਹੋਇਆ ਕੀ ਆ? ਕੋਈ ਪੈਸੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਚੋਰੀ ਕਰ ਲਏ? Somebody stole the money. ਭਾਈ ਬਾਲਾ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੋਰੀ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੇ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਫਿਰ ਪੈਸੇ ਸੌਦਾ ਲੈ ਆਂਦਾ? Have you bought all the goods? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੌਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਉਹ। No, he's not bought any goods. So he still got the money, right? Remember, this is, imagine your father sent you with like 20,000 pounds or something. And that father's going to be concerned. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਤਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਹੀ ਆ ਨਾ, he's got the money. ਨਹੀਂ ਪਿਤਾ ਕਾਲੂ ਜੀ ਪੈਸੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਲ। No, he hasn't got the money. ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਪੈਸੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗਏ? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਧੂ ਭੁੱਖੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਖਿਲਾਤਾ। ਸਾਧੂ ਭੁੱਖੇ ਸੀ? ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ 20 ਰੁਪਏ ਉਹਨੇ ਲੁਟਾ ਦਿੱਤੇ। He's thrown all the 20 rupees, all of it. ਹਾਂ ਕਾਲੂ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੁਟਾ ਦਿੱਤੇ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅੱਜ ਖੈਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ। ਪਿਤਾ ਕਾਲੂ ਜੀ said, I won't spare him today. It's enough. ਪਿਤਾ ਕਾਲੂ ਜੀ ਅੱਜ ਐਨ ਅੱਤ ਦੇ ਗੁੱਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਜ ਘਰੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਨੇ। With so much rage, ਪਿਤਾ ਕਾਲੂ ਜੀ leaves the house today. ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਘਰੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਸਮੇਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮਾਤਾ ਤ੍ਰਿਪਤਾ ਜੀ ਕਹਿ ਲਈ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬੇਬੇ ਜੀ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਧੀਏ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅੱਜ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਿਤਾ ਘਰੋਂ ਗਿਆ ਪਰ ਅੱਜ ਗੁੱਸੇ 'ਚ ਆ ਬਹੁਤ। Your father's just left the house but he's so angry today and I'm worried for your brother. ਜਾ ਧੀਏ ਤੂੰ ਮਗਰ ਜਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਦੇ। But it's already been some time. Pita Kaluji had left. It's been about 10-15 minutes and they've left. ਤਾਂ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਦੌੜਦੀ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਗਈ ਜੇ। She's running to go back to find her father. ਤਾਂ ਇਧਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਤਾਂ ਮਾਤਾ ਤ੍ਰਿਪਤਾ ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੌਲਤਾ ਦਾਈ ਤੂੰ ਆ ਛੇਤੀ ਆ। ਦੌਲਤਾ ਦਾਈ's that nanny that was there during that time when Guru Nanak Dev Ji Pacha Ji entered this world. Can they go after Bebe Nanki? I can't believe I've just sent her on her own. I don't know if she's going to be okay. Run after her. Daulta Dai piche daudi gayi ta kendi Tulsa was the maid of the house. Kendi Tulsa tum hi ja. Tulsa you go as well. Quick run after Daulta. ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਦੌੜਦੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਜੇ, ਦੂਸਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੌਲਤਾ ਦਾਈ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਲਸਾ ਦਾਸੀ ਵੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ। ਪਰ ਪਿਤਾ ਕਾਲੂ ਜੀ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੱਸ। ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ sitting there with their eyes closed ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਮਾਧੀਆਂ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਬੈਠਾ ਆ। And now you're sitting here and you're pretending to be a sadhu and you're meditating now. ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਸਮਾਧੀਆਂ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਬੈਠਾ ਆ ਤੇ ਦੱਸ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ? Tell me, where's my money? Open your eyes, don't do all this, whatever you're doing. ਖੋਲ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ। ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਖੋਲੀਆਂ। ਕੌਣ ਜੇ? Who are they? ਜੋਤ ਰੂਪ ਹਰ ਆਪ। that light manifested and took this form of Guru Nanak. That God that we're trying to look for, that Rab that we're trying to search for. A great Mahapurukh said, he said, I would come to the house of Guru Ramdas Ji, Sache Paatshah of Sri Darbar Sahib, and I would do ardas. I'd say, oh Guru Ramdas Ji, mere Sache Paatshah, मैनू रब दे दर्शन करवाओ. That let me see God. He said that एक दिन मैं चरना विच बैठा ही goes मैं इन्ना भोला मैं भुल गया. That I forgotten Guru Ramdas Ji. Who am I looking for? You are God. There was Jani Shah, a Sikh, a Mussalman of Guru. He came to Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. He would cry to Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. He'd say, Jani ko Jani mila do. He goes, let this Jani meet Jani the beloved. Jani means beloved. His name was beloved. He said, let this beloved meet the true beloved. Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Pachi would ignore him. They said, I don't want to see his face. He'd keep crying. He'd say, Jani ko Jani mila do. Let this Jani meet that true Jani, that true beloved. Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Pachi got their horse and got their horse to kick him. He fell to the ground. He's a Muslim that's come to Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji in yearning for God. He's fallen to the ground and he says, Nahi. He goes, Jani ko Jani mila do. Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji say to the Sikh, tell him to go from here. Tell him there's a flowing river. Tell him to go and jump in that river. I don't want nothing to do with him. Can they Sikh go? They said, Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji said, go and jump in that river. He's gone running. He thought maybe this is what will get me to God. He's gone running into that river. He dives into that river. Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji says he's going to kill himself. Go and get him out. Divers go to get him out, take him out of that flowing river. Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Pachi Ji come themselves, run to this river. Jani goes, puts his head in Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Pachi Ji's charan. As he goes down, he puts his head in the charan of Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Pachi Ji, and he's still crying. He says, Jani ko Jani mila do. Let me unite with that beloved. Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Pachi कहते Jani Shah अपना चेहरा उत्ते नो चक. They said, lift your head and look up. And as Jani Shah, a Muslim, he lifts his head up and he looks at the beautiful radiant face of Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Sache Paatshah. He says, Aaj Jani ko Jani mil gaya. He said, Jani's met the true beloved today. You are God, Guru Har Gobind Sahib Paatshah. I was looking for an external God. Oh Guru Nanak, Jot Roop Harap Guru Nanak Kahaya, Guru Nanak Paatshah Ji sitting there. They're in the teenage years. And Pita Kal kende das mere veer paiye kithe ne? Where's my 20 rupees? Kende je nahi dasda us Rabb di baah fad ke na. Pita Kalu Ji takes hold of the arm of Guru Nanak te kadiis ke utte nu utha liya. They drag Guru Nanak Paatshah Ji up and lift them and stand them up. And you know when they take their arm, they drag them around. Kadiis ke kal ke gid das aaj teri khair nahi. Tell me. Kuch nahi bole. They didn't speak. Pita Kalu Ji di aj na sajji baah utte nu uthi. Ek paase pita je, par dusre paase keval putter nahi, dusre paase Rabb je. On the other side, it's not just a son, but it's God. But today Pita Kalu Ji's right arm goes up. Ek baka ke चपेड़ मेरे गुरु नानक पातशाह दे खब्बी गलड़ी ऊपर मारी. And with much force, Pita Kalu Ji slaps Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji on their left cheek with their right arm. कहते दसदा कि होर मारा. You gonna tell me or shall I continue to hit you? कहते जे नहीं बोलदा तो फिर पिता कालू जी ने फिर खब्बी बांह चक के तो सज्जी गल ऊपर जो उन्होंने बगा के मारी. But now they lift their left hand and then they slap them on the other cheek. कहते जे नहीं दसदा फिर की किता पिता कालू जी ने उत्थे कहते फिर चपेड़ ते चपेड़ मारी. They continue, they don't stop. ਤਾਂ ਥੱਪੜ ਮਾਰੀ ਗਏ। They keep hitting Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji one slap after another. Udro, a whole crowd has come. Everybody's watching this scene, what's going on, but nobody's got the strength to come and approach Pita Kalu Ji to stop. Why? Because they're in fear because of the anger that Pita Kalu Ji has on their face today. Pita Kalu Ji is taken a step back, and today Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji still not spoke. But a little tear welled up and starts to roll down their face. But hun athru digde jande ne. As tears start to roll down the face of Guru Nanak, Pita Kalu Ji is just standing there in disappointment. His eyes are red, and on that side Bebe Nanaki Ji comes running. Dorde Bebe Nanaki Ji pahunche ne, and as Bebe Nanaki Ji comes, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਨਾ ਮਾਰਿਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ, ਨਾ ਮਾਰਿਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਿਓ ਨਾ। don't father, don't hit him, please don't hit him, whatever you do just don't slap him। ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਦੀਆਂ ਆ ਕੇ ਲੱਤਾਂ ਫੜ ਲਈਆਂ। she wrapped herself around the legs of her father। ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ, you've not hit him have you? ਮੇਰੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ, ਮੇਰੇ ਰੱਬ ਵਰਗੇ, ਮੇਰੇ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ ਵਰਗੇ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ? ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲੇ। ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਉਡਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਜੱਫੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਲਿਆ। ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ she embraces her father, ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਕ੍ਰੋਧ ਨਾਲ ਭਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਨਾ, the heart that is filled with so much anger, ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਦੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਜ ਠੰਡਾ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਿਆ ਸੀਨਾ। And he starts to cool down because Bebe Nanki's heart's filled with love. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਚੱਲ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ, ਚੱਲ at least you didn't hit him. Bebe Nanki turns around and comes over to her brother, and she puts her arms and she puts her hands on Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji's shoulders. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਨੇ? He didn't hit you, did he? ਤਾਂ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਨਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਨੀਲੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ, and when she sees that my brother's cheeks are blue, ਇੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ ਛਾਪੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ, you can see the marks of fingers in his cheeks, ਤਾਂ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਗੱਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਡਿੱਗ ਪਈ। she fainted. As Bebe Nanaki Ji's fainted, Mata Tripta Ji's reached that place as well. Kendi Dolta, meri tii deg paiya. She said, my daughter's fallen, she's fainted. Quick, go and get some water. Pani leke aa. Dolta ne jaake pani leke aunda. She goes and gets some water. Bebe Nanaki nu pani pilaya, te naale apne veer nu utha liya. She gets up and she goes, veer aa chaliye. She wouldn't look at her father. She goes, aa veer chaliye, aapa ghar chaliye, ithe nahi aapa ठहरना। She goes, quick, let's go home. ਬਾਂਹ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਘਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ। ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਘਰ ਗਏ ਤਾਂ ਮਾਤਾ ਤ੍ਰਿਪਤਾ ਜੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਤੁਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮਾਂ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਅੱਜ। Father hit my brother today. ਮਾਤਾ ਤ੍ਰਿਪਤਾ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਗਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਨੂੰ। She takes her son into her embrace. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਾ ਕਰ। I promise I won't ask anything from you again. I won't tell you to go to work. I won't tell you to do anything. It's so you just sit. ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾ ਦੂੰਗੀ। ਪਿਆਰਿਓ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ 20 ਰੁਪਈਆ ਆ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਮੁੱਕਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ। ਸੰਸਾਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ। You can go to any other place in the world. You can go to any other faith and you won't see Guru Nanak's langar. Those slaps that Guru Nanak Paatshah Ji took, you can still see them today. Langar koi choti cheez nahi. Langar is no small thing. There's millions today that are eating from those 20 rupees. आज 20 रुपये ਅੱਜ भी ਚੱਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਰਹੂਗਾ ਉਹ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਰਹਿਣੇ ਨੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਲੰਗਰ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਚਪੇੜਾ ਖਾਧੀਆਂ Guru Nanak Pachaji was slapped for this langar, and this langar is never going to come to an end. Rai Balar comes to find out, and Rai Balar calls, who was the head of that town, calls Pita Kalu. Kende Pita Kalu ji worked for Rai Balar. Rai Balar said to Pita Kalu ji, do you know that I'm successful because in your house God is born, and you slap him over 20 rupees? You tell me, how much do you want? You want 20,000? You want 200,000? You dare touch that boy again. You dare touch him again. Bebe Nanaki ji is in Sultanpur. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Padsha Ji, when they're in Sultanpur, that time came when they came out the Vai Nadi. When they came out that Vai Nadi after 3 days, Sukhdeep went through the Sakhi of what happened when they went to the mosque. But Baba dekhe dhyan tar jalti sab prithvi disai. Guru Nanak Dev Ji saw that the whole world is burning. Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, चढ़िया सोदन धरत लुकाई बाजो गुरु गुबार है करदी सुनी लुकाई. Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, I have to leave now. Mata Sulakhani ji, their wife, said, what do you mean you've got to leave? You can't leave. You've got little children. Where are you going? He said, I can hear the world. I can hear the people of the world, they're crying. Who's crying? People like Sajjan Thug, who are throwing people in wells and murdering them for their money. Who's crying? People like Gauda Rakash, who is a cannibal at eating human beings. Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, people are suffering out there. He said, what about your 2 little sons? Baba Shri Chand and Lakshmi Das, they go and wrap around Guru Nanak Dev Ji's legs. Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, just for the sake of 2, I can't overlook thousands that are crying. I've got to leave today. They're speaking from attachment. But Bebe Nanaki, from love, she says, Veer, na javi Veer. Veer na javi. She said, brother, don't leave. You've been here for 11 years. Veer na javi. Guru Nanak Dev Ji today, they put their hands on their sister's shoulders. Kende Pan, kende tusi vadde ho na? मैं ताड़ी गल कदी भी नहीं मोड़दा. कहते I never say no to you, but on this occasion I have to go. They said, but ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ याद करोगे मैं ताड़े कोल आवांगा. Whenever you remember me, I'll come. मैं जरूर आऊंगा. बेबे नानकी जी बिराग दे विच. She's in so much birag and yearning when Guru Nanak Dev Ji left with their udasiyan. She would sit. She said, brother said, remember me and I'll come. And she'd say, look, Guru Nanak, I'm remembering you. Where are you? You said you would come. Where are you? I'm sitting here remembering you and you're not coming. And she would cry. One day, she was making prashada for her husband, Paya Jairam. And as she's making this prashada, and her prashada, it blew up like this beautiful balloon. And she goes, ha, je aj hunda na mera veer, aa prashada shakhan vaste, aa prashada. She says, only if he was here today to eat this very prashada, this very roti, look at it, it's beautiful. It's like this perfect balloon shape. ਮਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਾ, ਧੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ, ਜਦੋਂ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਦਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਫੁੱਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਮਨ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਅੱਜ ਬੇਬੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ, ਹਾਂ ਜੇ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੀਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਪਰ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, but he's not here. ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ thousands miles away ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮਰਦਾਨਿਆਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਦੀ ਤਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਖਿੱਚ ਪੈ ਗਈ. They said that string of love has just been pulled by my sister. We've got to go right now, instantly. Bhai Mardana ji said, how are we going to go? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬਸ ਮਰਦਾਨਿਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਮੀਟ and you just close your eyes and leave the rest to me. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮਰਦਾਨਿਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਬੋਲ ਮਰਦਾਨਿਆਂ ਸਤ ਕਰਤਾਰ. And this is what Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji would say. They would say Sat Kartar. Kartar means the creator, Sat means the truth. Whenever Bhai Mardana Ji was in trouble, there was a time when Bhai Mardana Ji went to the house of somebody that practiced witchcraft, to the house of Noor Shah. And when Bhai Mardana Ji went there looking for food, she turned Bhai Mardana Ji into a ram, thinking that he's a ram. She hypnotized him. Bhai Mardana Ji is jumping around, thinking he's a ram and making strange noises like a ram. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji came these same words Guru Nanak Dev Ji saying to Bhai Mardana Ji today. That day as well, Bhai Mardana, all Guru Nanak Dev Ji would say, would look at Bhai Mardana and says, Bol Mardania. What would they say? Bol Mardania sach kartar. Bol Bhai Balya sach kartar. Bol Bhai Mardania sach kartar. Bol Bhai Balya. Oh, bol Bhai Balya sach kartar. Bol Bhai Mardaniya sach kartar. Bol Bhai sach kartar. Oh, sach kartar, sach kartar, sach kartar, sach kartar. Oh ji, bol Bhai Balya sach kartar. Bol Bhai Mardaniya sach kartar. Bol Bhai आज भाई मर्दाना जी सिंह सत करतार. बेबे नानकी जी ने एक हौका पढ़िया. बेबे नानकी जी, she says, चल की पता. And she looks around, she goes, say if brother has actually turned up. And as by Bebe Nanaki ji turns around, what does she see? She sees that Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji is standing there. Darshan dekh jeeva gur tera. Bebe Nanaki is about to run and hug her brother. She goes, huh? She goes, मैं पहला भी याद किया तुसी आए नहीं. Why didn't you come when I was first remembering you? Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, no, that was too technical. You were sitting down and saying, he said it, if you do this. And they said, but this time you remembered me innocently. Just like that time when you was 4 years old and you did the ardas innocently, and I came then. In that same way, you remembered me innocently to say, only if he was here today to eat this prashada. And bebe, main aa gaya tera prashad. Sheti shaka main bhukh lagi. Quick, I'm hungry. Guru Nanak Dev Ji ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬੇਬੇ ਆਉਣ ਜਾਣ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. I've got to go back. ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਪਤਾ. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਪਤਾ ਨਾ. ਮੈਂ 3 ਦਿਨਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਤੋਂ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਣਾ. ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਦੀ ਅਵਸਥਾ. This is her state. She knew she's leaving. She said, in 3 days, I'm going to be leaving this world. I'm going to be leaving this body. Stay till my last moment. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਭੈਣ. ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੀ ਬੋਲ ਮੈਂ ਮੋੜਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ. I never say no to you. That night, Bhaiya Jairam Ji, the husband of Bebe Nanaki, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵਿਛੋੜਾ ਪਾ ਦੇਣਾ. You going to leave me? The husband saying to their wife, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪਰ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਧੰਨ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ wow, how amazing is ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ. ਧੰਨ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਧੰਨ ਨਾਨਕ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ amazing is ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ and blessed is Guru Nanak. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਧੰਨ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ ਧੰਨ ਨਾਨਕ. ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਧੰਨ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਤੂੰ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੂੰ ਉਸ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੀ ਭੈਣ ਆ and blessed are you because you are the sister of that ਨਾਨਕ ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਧੰਨ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਜੋਗ ਬਣਿਆ and he said I'm blessed as well because I married you and you're the sister of Guru Nanak ਮੇਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਆਪ ਹੱਥੀ ਸੰਸਕਾਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਜੀ ਦਾ they themselves did ਸੰਸਕਾਰ those ਅੰਤਮ ਸਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਸੰਸਕਾਰ of ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ and ਭਾਈਆ ਜੈ ਰਾਮ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਚੱਲ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ they said you go and I'm coming too so much love between husband and wife 3 days later ਭਾਈਆ ਜੈ ਰਾਮ ji leaves his body as well and Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah does the sanskar of his body too ਧੰਨ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ ਧੰਨ ਨਾਨਕ ਧੰਨ ਬੇਬੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਪਰ ਸੰਗਤੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਥੋੜਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਧੰਨ ਹੀ ਆ ਨਾ we're blessed too aren't we to be sitting in that Guru Nanak's charan ਬੋਲੋ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ जिसके सिर ऊपर तू स्वामी सो दुख कैसा पावे बोलना जाने I don't know how to speak I've got no intellect I've got nothing whatsoever बोलना जाने माया मद माता I'm intoxicated in maya in this illusion मेरे राम राय तू संता का संत तेरे you know that love that Bebe Nanaki ji had just give me a little ayat of that love for you Guru Nanak that if I innocently remember you Guru Nanak that you come to me as well that if I remember you in that way that Bebe Nanaki ji remembered you you'll come and fill my heart as well Guru Nanak don't ever let me see that day that baar paraya baisna sai mujhe na de don't let me ever sit on the door of another baar paraya baisna sai mujhe na de je tu eve rakh si if you're going to ever show me another door jio siriro le then take this breath out of my body I don't want to live I only want to live if I've got you in my life दर्शन देख जीवा गुर तेरा धन गुरु नानक सच्चे पातशाह जिवें पातशाह जी तुसी बाबा नंद सिंह जी नूं दर्शन दिते ना पातशाह जी सानू तरस करो साडा हिरदा भर दो आप जी दे दर्शनां दे नाल There was Mahapurukhs that had so much love for Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Baba Nand Singh Ji once, they made prashada. You know, we brought thal here for Guru Nanak Dev Ji. There's prashada here for Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Just like this one day, Baba Nand Singh Ji made prashada and put it before Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Baba Nand Singh Ji sat and Baba Jwant Singh Ji sat. Baba Jwant Singh Ji was a Kirtani and they said, बाबा नानक सिंह जी कहते जवान से हो कहते क्यों कहते अज अरदास करिए कि गुरु नानक that form that you came in 1469 and you walked this earth with that body today I'm going to wait till you come back in that form and eat this prashada until then we're not going to eat बाबा जवान सिंह जी कहते ठीक है महापुरख अरदास कर दो आप छकूंगे नहीं कुछ we're not going to eat nothing until they come themselves in their bodily form this is only about 100 years ago बाबा नानक सिंह जी कहते गुरु नानक देव जी पातशाह आप जी वास्ते भोजन तैयार है तुसी आज आके प्रतख आके भोग लाओ come in your bodily form days started to pass On about the 4th day, Baba Nand Singh Ji's body, Sarir, and Baba Jwan Singh Ji's Sarir gets weak because they've not eaten. And as they're going in and out of consciousness and swaying back and forth, and Guru Nanak Dev Ji Paatshah Ji, that Guru Granth Sahib Ji Paatshah Ji Swaroop is still today in Jagrama, in Apora Sahib. ਲੜੀਵਾਰ ਸਰੂਪ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਹੋਏ ਉਸ ਸਰੂਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ became ਪ੍ਰਗਟ came in their bodily form from Guru Granth Sahib Ji ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਸਰੂਪ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਰਖੀ ਜੀ they said to Baba Jwan Singh ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਮੰਗ ਲਓ ask for something Baba Jwan Singh Ji put their hands together ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬਾਬਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅੱਜ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਕਰਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਐਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਓ give me darshan every time like this when I do kirtan Baba Nand Singh Ji ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਮੰਗ ਲਓ Baba Nand Singh Ji that saved the lives of thousands hundreds of thousands ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬਾਬਾ ਨੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਮੰਗ ਲਓ ਬਾਬਾ ਨੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮੰਗਣ ਦੀ ਜਾਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮੰਗਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ I don't know how to ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਿਖੀ ਜੀ ਕੁਝ ਮੰਗ ਲਓ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆ ਗਏ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਮੰਗਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਰਹਿ ਕੀ ਗਿਆ If you've come yourself, what else is there left to ask for? Guru Nanak Dev Ji ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖੀ ਜੀ ਕੁਝ ਮੰਗ ਲਓ Guru Nanak Dev Ji ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬਸ ਆਪਣਾ ਬਣਾਈ ਰੱਖਿਓ Just let me be yours and remain yours until the end. Guru Nanak Dev Ji ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਰੱਖੀ ਜੀ ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਸਭ ਜਗ ਤੇਰਾ ਜਿਨ ਨਾਨਕ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਪੂਜਿਆ ਤਿਨ ਹਰ ਪੂਜ ਕਰਾਵਾਂ If we become Guru Nanaks the whole world will worship that one, that person. Sangat Ji, please forgive me for my mistakes. Take me as your little brother, as your son, as your veer. Mere ogan na chitariyo. Please don't look at my demerits and forgive me for my mistakes. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Please donate and help spread Guruji's message. Link is in the description below. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.
Vaheguru